Even when our world is falling apart, God does not leave us alone. And so, God will turn my mess into a powerful message. So, as I believe that Allah is not just with you, but He is crafting something amazing within you. Hello, lovely souls, it's Brishan Ricky, and in this video, I am asking the question from you that are you being punished or are you being prepared for better? I have a story to share with you that proves whatever happens in your life, it happens for a reason, it has a purpose. Hopefully you will enjoy this video. Do give this video a thumbs up and share. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Now let's start. We all face some sort of challenges in our lives. We all have dark days, dark seasons in our life. But it all has a purpose. So there was a girl named Charisma. In 2017, Charisma's father got heart attack. For the surgery, they went out of the city. Days and weeks passed. She was falling apart because she loved her father a lot. Shattered, exhausted. Her depression got so high that she was ready to give up. Passed, and she just had this one thing in her mind that what is the point? Why is this even happening to me? What have I done to deserve this? So it was September 2017, in the middle of the night at 3 a.m. She sat down crying. She felt connected with God. She was begging for help from God. She wanted Him to save her from this pain. She can't handle it, not anymore. And on that night, something really strange happened. She was crying so hard that all of a sudden she felt connected with the God. As she was on her knees, she said that she felt that connection so strongly. She knew that in that moment, Allah, God was holding her. She came to know that no matter what happens, Allah is still there and He is listening. She was just crying all along. Her mind was so tired of fighting all the depression, from all the sadness. But then something strange happened. As she listened to those words, she came to know that Allah, God, has different plans for her. The words were that I will be always by your side. Repeat. These were the words, I will be always by your side. These were the words she listened at the moment, and she was shocked. All of a sudden she came to know that was a sign from Allah. It was so powerful. I am not even lying to you. I'm sharing a true story with you. Those words completely shifted her mind. At the moment she understood that just let it go. And in that important moment, she knew to accept where she was and let Allah do the rest. So this shows that God brings the tough times in our life just to show His glory. Just for us to understand that whatever He does or whatever happens in your life, He is always with you. No matter what, He has everything under control. So it is better for us to understand and accept whatever happens in our life and have a complete faith and trust on Allah. You need to understand that the hard times you are going through are not punishment, but they are preparing you for something bigger and better. So as she was walking through the toughest season in her life, she came to know that how big, how amazing Allah is. That made me realize that me and you just need to hand over our problems over God, and me and you need to trust the process. As Charisma said, nothing worth having is ever easy. She knew that she will continue to struggle as that is part of her life, and she just reminds herself that how powerful, beautiful the word Allah is. So next time if you find yourself surrounded by darkness, please remember that you are not being punished, but you are being prepared for something much greater than you ever imagined. keep on moving forward and understand that God will never leave you. He is always there for you and He is enough for you. That's it. Thank you so much.